If you have been looking out to create a perfect and mobile responsive courier tracking and delivery websites, this video will be a helpful guide for you. So let me just track one of the tracking ID I just copied. So you see, wow, this is a cool tracking ID. So it comes with a live map location, it comes with the ability for you to print your invoice, and it comes with automatic email. So now whenever a track is being created, an automatic email is being sent to your client. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to set up, just as you can see on my screen right here, this beautifully set up delivery, courier, logistics and tracking website. So you can see that this comes with a very beautiful and a very attractive tracking receipt with billing format. So you can see it comes with a PayPal and payment methods. It comes with a good and a beautiful invoice that can be printed and sent to your client. Now let me just go over to the admin. You see how this works. So from here now, before the end of this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up this beautiful courier, logistics and tracking website for yourself or for your client. You can charge a huge amount of money to deliver this kind of job to your client. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating videos of this sort, and in today's video I'm bringing you another interesting one which is going to help you as a developer in the internet space. A lot of guys are looking out to get a very beautiful invoice for their tracking and delivery website. So this video will be a helpful guide for you, because before the end I'm going to be showing you my simple strategy and steps of creating this for them, and you can charge a huge amount of money to deliver your job. Now, this is just a quick disclaimer that this video is solely for educational purposes, and I want you to follow through my steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, because that is the only way you're going to see my tricks of getting to deliver this job to my clients. Now, subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. If this is the first time you're seeing our video, subscribe to our channel, and YouTube is going to keep notifying you that, yeah, we've dropped an educating video of this sort. Now, this video is divided into two segments. Now, the first segment, I'll be just giving you a walkthrough on how this website script works and some of the things obtainable here. And the second segment is where I'm just going to be going over to how you can set this up for yourself and set it up for your client to deliver a huge amount of work for them. You can see how beautiful this looks. So before the end of this video, in the first segment, I'll be showing you how to a walkthrough of how everything works, and in the second segment I'll just show you how to set this up for yourself. So without further ado, let's get started with the first segment. Now, in the first segment, the first thing I just want to show you here is just a quick look of how this tracking works. So let me just track this shipment that I've already been created from the admin already. So you can see that this looks perfect and is beautiful. So you can see the receipt right here. So let me just go back to the front end of this website, and let's start from there. So this is the front end, and I've set this up and it's working perfectly on my end. So this is the front end, beautifully looking. So I just want to take you through the front end. The front end has been set up. Every content you need to deliver your job has been written, so you just have to plug and play. Now, the whole idea is for you to follow my steps in this video and get the exact same result as you have seen here on my video. You get? So now this is just the front end. This is the home page. Everything, every content you need has been written. This is the about us page. Every content you need has been written. So you just need to get hold of this website script, and then you just have to deliver your job. So this is just that. So just take your time, have a walkthrough of what the script you've got. So this is the services page. So I'm just taking you to just work on that. So this is just the tracking page, and I just copied the tracking ID. So let me just track one of the tracking ID I just copied. So you see, wow, this is a cool tracking ID. So it comes with a live map location, it comes with the ability for you to print your invoice, and you can update this. It comes with billing payment methods, and you see the receivers, the senders details, the image of the package being sent, the details of the sender and the receiver, and it comes with automatic email. So now this comes with email that whenever you send an email to your client, whenever a track is being created, an automatic email is being sent to your client. Now this is just a good package for you your clients receive email on track. So whenever you create a shipment with your receivers details, they also get email notification for the track. So you can update the location, you can change the location to the current place where the parcel is shipping to, and a lot more features that this website comes with, you see. So this is just beautiful and it's cool. So now let's just try clicking on print receipts and let's see how that looks. Wow, you can see that if you have your printer, you can just print that directly. You see that? Wow, this is looking beautiful, guys. It's something you need to get hold of. Now you see this is the tracking number, this is the image and image. You see the website name, this is the website email, this is the company website, this is the senders, this is from sender, this is the receiver's details. So you see that this comes with something like a barcode and with the tracking ID. Then this is the order ID, this is the payment method. You can add your payment method, you can add your quantity and every other thing. It comes with an official stamp from the company. And you can see that this video, this script also comes with payment methods. You can see that's right here. So now let me just go over and show you the admin segment. So this is the admin segment. So these are all the trackings that I have created on this system. So you can see that. So this is just a walkthrough of everything. So let's come back to the admin. Let me log out now and log in again and show you that. So this is the admin login page. So let me log in now. So this is my admin password. So yeah, I just have to click on login. So yeah, so wow, I've been logged into my admin end. So you see that? So everything is working perfectly. So now let me just try creating a track so that I'll just show you that this is working fine and it's something you need to try out. So let's try creating a track. So creating a track here, we'll just have to come to senders information and let's say what's the name of the sender. Let's say Fred Almond. So let's say that's the name of the sender, and sender's contact, we can just use any random number for the sender. So sender's email, so let me use my email. So sender's email, I just have to use this email. Sender's address, I just have to use France. Well, I just love France. So France. So this is France. So what is the status of the track? You can say it's active, you can say it's on hold, you can say it's awaiting delivery, you can say it's delivered. So let's select delivered. This dispatch location, where is it moving from? It's moving from Ghana. Type of product, the product is fragile. The reference number, which carrier service is making this delivery? You can say DHL. Which was the weight of the product? You can say 70 kg. What's the payment method? I want to wire transfer. What is the image? So image of what you're shipping, you just have to upload it right there for them to see. So I just have to, let me see if I can select this image. So that image is okay. So now the receiver's information, you can say the name of the receiver is gate, something like that. Receiver's email, I use this email. Receiver's contact details, so I can just use any random number. So just make sure you get the correct details of the client you're shipping to. So receiver's address, I can say Angola. Now what's the destination? So now this destination is the first site that will show on the map. So I can just select Dubai. And the package description, this is a bag of food. The date of dispatch, so today, the month and all of that. So today, so I just say shipment method is air. You can select either land and whatever what you want. So how many bags of food? 6 bags of food. What's the estimated delivery time? You can say this on that day. So every details, make sure every details is correct and it suits the client details you're doing that with. So you just have to click on add. And let's say, yeah, that shipping has been added successfully for us. It said created successfully. So now let's come back to dashboard. So and let's scroll down and let's come down to let's copy this. Let's copy this. Let's copy this tracking ID. So I just have to copy this ID now. And let's come over to the front end. So this is the front end. Okay, this is just the tracking page. So let me just come here also and just track that. Let me just paste my tracking number. I just track now. So you can see the image of the parcel we are shipping. Well, we can see that you're not seeing any information here because this I've not made any updates on this track. Now you can see the location we set. It is here sitting correctly, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And you can see that we'll have a good senders details, receivers details, and every details here was correct. Now you see the email that was provided here. Now remember I told you that this comes with an automatic email. So this is a live map and this is a good. Now let's try printing the receipt. Let's just right click and print a receipt for that. So this is cool. So cancel this. I'm not printing that. So wow, you see the name of the sender, you see the name of the receiver, see the company's details. Now you see the location we set right here. You see the payment method we want, and you see the type of shipment, the quantity, and it's saying delivered. Well, you see that. So now let's try updating this tracking. Okay, before we do that, let me go back to my email and show you that I was actually, whoa, you can see that registered shipment and you see that hand gate. Let's come back here. Let me show you my name. You see the receiver's name, hand gate, and you see my email provided there. You see that. So you see that. So let me just open that email and you see that it is going to just come to my email with the details of this tracking that was created from the admin. You get, so from here I can right click and then go to my website and track my goods, and you can see that this is sitting right here and is beautiful. So this website script comes with a lot of features, so you just have to take your time, go through it and set it up and deliver your work to your client. Now let me come back here and do a fresh track. So let's go back. Let me just cancel this. So let me come back to the admin and let's update. So you can just update any shipment. You can update it and change some details. So it's saying delivered here. So we can just update it and now saying it is on hold or it is on transit. So it's saying pending, or we can say on hold, and we can say current location is France instead of Dubai. So the date is this date and the time is this time, and the subtotal, I can just say the subtotal of the shipment is $7,000 and the discount is just $50. Tax is, I'm not taking any charge from them. Now note, we can say your package is currently on hold at the embassy, something like that, embassy. So that is good, and we just have to click on update. Now see all the update details. We changed it to on hold and we change the location to France. So now let's come back and retract these details. So now let's come back and retract it. So you see the previous, okay, this is not the previous one. The previous one is let me come back here and track it again. So paste and then we click on track now. Well, you can see that we are having something now, and you see that the current location is set to France and it's on hold. So you see on the map here we have France, and you see that is cool. And you see, let's just track and let's try printing the invoice again, and you see that the invoice will come with the subtotal. You see the wire transfer and you see all these updated details right here. You can see that. So from this admin now you can edit a lot of stuff. So on your admin end, let me just take a walkthrough on the admin part of this website script. So on the admin end, you can see that this is your admin dashboard from where you manage all the existing tracking you get. So all the existing, you can either delete a track if you want. Let's say I want to delete this one, I can just delete a track. You can delete it and modify anything you want to do. So I can delete this also. Can delete as many as I want. I can still do it. So now let's say you want to create a tracking. What you just have to do is come here to add tracking, and you just have to take your time and input the correct details of the receiver and the sender, and make sure you put the correct email so that they are going to get notified automatically when a shipment is made. So let's say as we updated this shipment now, and let's say you see shipment update. So once we updated it, the email came in and it says your package is currently on hold at the embassy, and you see that it came to my email. So this is a very robust shipment website script that you need to get hold of. Now if I come to my profile, you see my admin username and password, and you see I can edit it from here, and everything is working fine, no error whatsoever. Now whenever you've come to your admin, you just have to come to site setting. So after uploading and extracting, so you just have to come to site setting. Now this is where you're going to update the website name. So now you see that when we track here, our website name is shiptrans, the email is shiptrans@gmail.com, and our website name is shiptrans.com. So let's come back to admin. So now let's change this shiptrans to um trans globe, something like that. Trans globe. So control A, control C. So trans globe, then site title trans globe also. I paste that. Then website name www.com.transglobe. So email name, I should put it to paste, and email address, I changed it to transglobe. So I'm going to hit save now. This didn't change, so just take your time. If it didn't change, you paste it again and then you save again. So yeah, it's cool. So now let's try refreshing this tracking end. Whoa, you can see that that has been changed. You see that it's transglobe now, transglobe@gmail.com, transglobe.com, and you see that it's something that you can manipulate with, and it's cool, guys. So now let's come back to the admin. So now you see that. So these are just the few things you need to know, and you just have, when you click here, you just have to log out. So now let me take you back to the front end of the website. So everything you need to get, so it's just a very beautiful and mobile responsive website you need to get hold of. And you come to the about us page, you see the about us page, and you see all the details, all the information, all the written stuff you need to deliver your job. You just have to get hold of this script and just plug and play. You just follow my steps to set it up, and you get to deliver your job to your client. You get. So now this is just the about us service page. So let's go to contact us page, and you see where you can contact details. Every information you need has been written for you, and you see a live map on the contact us page. So this is beautiful, guys. So now we are going to be going over to the second segment. Now in the second segment, I'm going to be showing you how to get hold of this website script that is used in this video. And if you want to get, I'm going to be showing you how to get access to it, and I'm going to just show you how to set this up for yourself, if maybe for yourself or for your client, and you can charge a huge amount of money, maybe from 200k to 1 million, to deliver this job to your client. So now for us to do that, let's get started. So now for you to get started with setting up this website script, now the first thing you should do is to get hold of this website script, and you can message us in from the description of this video. Our WhatsApp contact is there. If you chat us, we are going to tell you how to get access to this website script, every software that was used to set this up in this video. Now to set this up, you need this website script, and you need your domain name and hosting. My affiliate link to a good host will be in the description of the video also. You can click on that link. It will be a win-win for us. You're going to get a free domain, and then I'm going to get a little commission pay for referring you. You get, so click on my affiliate link, is going to refer you to where you get your hosting and domain. You're going to be getting a free domain, and I'm going to be getting a little commission. So now let's progress. Now once you get your domain name and hosting, it's just simple. I made some recommendations and a cool procedure. So now let me just take you to maybe any of the hosting companies. So you can just use Namecheap. So Namecheap is cool. So Namecheap is a good one, and their customer service is cool. As I see that Namecheap has is offering .com domain for just $5 on a discount on newly registered accounts. So now let's say we want to create a tracking for our client. Let's just say we just want to do a name like track or trans track logis, something like that, logics. So let me use X. So transtracklogics.com. .com. So let's say that is the name of your website, and you've just Control C. And now let's say if that domain should be available. So if this domain is available, we are good to go. So if your domain is available, what you just have to do is, wow, our domain is available. Now we can just have to add it to cart. And after adding your domain to cart, just come to hosting, get your shared hosting, and select a plan. So any plan is good. So the first plan here is good, that offers you 3 websites. It says you can host up to 3 websites with CMS and all of that. So this is good. So we can go with that. So that is $22 plus our initial $10. So everything is $33. So now most of the times our students find it difficult to make payments in dollars. There is also a video link in the description that will show you how to create a virtual card so that you can make payments in dollars in any currency online, so that you won't be limited. So you just have to add this to cart, and once you want to get this, just this is your cart age, just click on confirm order, and it's going to ask you to register if you've not registered. So just register and just follow the procedure. There is an online prompt, so it's easy to do. So now let's go back. So I'm just showing you that so that in case this is your first time trying out to do this, I'm just showing you the procedure you can follow. So now once you've gotten your domain name and hosting, the registrar, Namecheap for instance, they are going to send you an email, and this email is going to have your cPanel details. Now with these details, you can now log into your cPanel, and from there we can start delivering our website. Now once you log onto your cPanel, what you just have to do is, let's say we finally got this domain name, which is transtrack.com. So what you just have to do is come to a new browser, Control V, and paste the domain name /cPanel. And when you do that, you see a prompt that will prompt you to put your email, cPanel username and password, and you can log in. And whenever you log into your cPanel, you will be seeing an exact interface as what you're seeing here. So from here, you can see that this is cPanel right here, and this is my cPanel. So we will just be seeing something as this. Now, before setting up this website script, make sure you set the PHP version of your cPanel to 7.4. Is good. The script runs on a 7.4 PHP version. So for you to do that, you can just come to multi PHP manager, or you can just come here and type PHP manager, and you come down to PHP manager. So you just have to select your domain name, and you come here and select 7.4. So you can see that my domain name is currently on 7.4. So that is cool. So let's proceed. So make sure you set it up to 7.4, and with that we are good to go. So come back to your cPanel. So once you've set that, you just have to come here and locate your file manager, because this is where you upload your files from. So you open your file manager, and you'll be seeing this. So on your own, you might not be seeing a lot of this. You're seeing this here because I actually have a website on this server. So you just have to click on public_html, and from here you can either create a subdomain and upload this and do it there, or you create a folder. But if you're doing this for a client, once you get hold of this website script, you've bought your domain name and hosting. Once you come to your file manager, just go straight to public_html. You will not be seeing anything here. Once you're here, go to upload, and then upload the file that you just got from us, the website script. This is if you're doing this for a client or for a fresh website. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I already have an existing website on this server, so I'm just going to be uploading this on a folder so that I can actually show you how to do this even if you're doing it on a main primary domain. So let me show you that now. So I just want to create a folder now, and let me show you how to get this done. So just on my cPanel, I come to file manager and I come to public_. So in my public_html, instead of directly clicking on upload, I click on a folder here, and I give my folder name, the name of our website, let's say is track okay, let's just say transtrack. Let's say transtrack is our domain name. So I give it that name as a folder. So it's loading. So you see the domain name, you see the folder we just created right here. I'm just going to double click on this folder, and you see that its directory is empty. So let me click on upload now, and let me click on select file. Let me come to my download. So this is my file here. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to take a little chill time and allow this to upload for me. So while it's uploading, you can just take hold of something and allow it to upload for you. Okay, it's 100. So once it's 100, you just have to wait for it to turn green. So it's green now, so we are good to go. Come back right here and reload this. So you see that my script is here. So the next thing you just have to do is right click and then extract your script into the folder we created. So now if you're doing this directly on your public underscore HTML, so once you extract it, move everything to your public underscore HTML. So but for me, since I uploaded on a folder, I just have to select everything, and then I'm going to move it to the folder name. Now see, if you're doing this for public underscore HTML, just move it to into this place. But I'm doing this on this folder, so that is why I removed everything at the back of this folder, and I'm going to move those files into that folder. So now let's come back to my public underscore HTML, and let's come back to the folder I created. So this is the folder I created, and these are the files. So I've just successfully moved my files. So now the next thing you need to do is come to this SQL folder you're seeing here, and then download this file, this SQL file you're seeing here. We are going to upload it to our phpMyAdmin, and from there we can start editing our website. Now come down here and come to DB. Now you need to set up this DB and then this function folder right here. Now these two files are the things that will help you make your website run perfectly. Now let's right click and see. So what we need to do on the db.php is let me do that right away. So you can see that here now what you just have to do is to create a database. Once you create a database, you're going to come here and edit this database. Now the localhost should remain with localhost. So now for you to create your database, just come back to your cpanel and locate php. So now php or let's say database. Yeah, let's type database. Yeah, it's my SQL database wizard. So just right click and open that. So it's just easy to do. Just put some little details here, and then click on next step. And you just have to put another name here, and you put your password, generate password. You say I have copied this password. So when you copy this password, go and paste it into your notepad. I have copied it, and you can say use password. So after you've done that, just click on create user, and you can use these details to come and edit the DB folder. The DB folder, let me go back and show you. So you can just use it and edit the DB file right here. But I've already created a database. I just did this to show you how to create a database for yourself. So I'm just going to go back. I'm not going to continue the process. So if you're doing this fresh, come to my SQL database wizard, create a database name, select your password, copy your password and paste in your notepad so that you will use it for this configuration right here. So I've created mine. So I'm just going to come to my notepad and I'm going to get my details. So this is my database password. I'm just going to copy my password. I'm going to come here. This is database password. I'm going to paste it. So database username. So come here and get your database username. So this is my database username. Copy, and you come here, database username. You just have to paste it. I have pasted mine. So you just come back. So just take your time and do this editing. So I copy, and I come to DB name, and I paste. So I'm good to go. So once you've done that, you click on save changes. And what next thing we need to do is we need to edit the function.php file. So this one is the one that performs the function of being able to send your email and all of that. So you need to set it up well. So come back here, create your host name is your website name. So our website name is track trans. So let me copy here, and then our website name is track. Let's just say track trans. That is the host name, trans.com. So what you will put here, your host name is your domain name. So you come here and put an email. So what you don't have to do is come back to your cPanel and create an email from your cPanel. So for you to do that, just come to email accounts, and then you just click on create, and you put the username of the email. You can just say admin. Or you can say info, and you just have to generate password, and make sure whichever one you generate, you make sure you save the details for this password. Now you just have to copy it and paste in your notepad. Copy this and also paste in your notepad. But to make this video short, I've also created my own email address. So I'm just going to come back to my notepad. I'm going to copy my email password. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to come back to my function file, function.php, and this is the mail here. So edit this to your own, create an email and edit it, paste, and everywhere else you see it, come here also paste it, and here also. Okay, no, this is my password I'm pasting. Sorry, this is the password here rather. This is the password, so I just have to paste my password here, paste, and then I'm going to come back here and get my email. So this is my email. So here now, instead of this stuff I put before, I just have to put my email. So it's my email that will be there. So here also I put my email, I paste, and I come back here and then I put my email again. So with this now, whenever you create a track, the sender and the receiver will both receive automatic email in their mailbox, you see. So you just have to edit this name here also to your own name, to your own website name. So our own is track trans. Yeah, that is our website name. Yeah, track. So when you're doing this, make sure no space is given. Track trans is okay for me, and I can save changes. So with these two changes now, we are good to go. So make sure you've set your website to a PHP version of 7.4. I'm going to copy this. So I'm just going to load up my website now. I'm going to load up my website now, and I just want to load up my website. So here. So if we did everything well, Control V and enter. So if we did everything well, our website should load up properly. Wow, guys. So you can see my domain name here, transtrack, my domain name / my folder. So you can see that this is beautiful, and we've been able to upload our website and set it up properly. Now let me want to log into my admin. So now for you to log into your admin, if you uploaded this directly to your primary domain name, what you just have to do is your domain name / admin. But I uploaded mine to a folder. So for me to get to my admin, I'll have to do my domain name / the name of the folder, then / admin. So let me do that now. Let me type in admin, and I'm going to hit on enter. Whoa, and it comes right here. So now for you to get your admin email and password, just come back to and yeah, there is one more step we need to go. Now remember, we downloaded an SQL file from the file manager. So what we just have to do is we need to come to our PHP my admin, and then PHP my admin, and then remember I have created a my own database already. So you just have to come down right here, and then I'm going to click on import, and I'm going to import that file we downloaded, and here is it. So once you click on that, import it. So once we are done importing this file, we are good to go. So now this is where you can actually get to start creating. Now you can see that our website is loading up, but we can't do any action because of what? Our SQL file has not been uploaded, but now it has been uploaded and imported successfully. Now let me come to admins. So you can see that this is my admin username and this is my admin password. So now let me log into mine. So this is my admin mail and this is my admin password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I click on login. Well, you can see that this has logged me in instantly, and you can see that my dashboard is still as new, you see, but the previous one that we were using had a lot of details on it. So let me see if I can still load it up. You can see it has a lot of details on it. So but this new one I just updated now is just having 3 details. So from here now I've shown you how to navigate your way through all these here. So you just have to click on add tracking if you want to create a new tracking, put your details and just deliver this work to your client. Now I've been able to show you how to set up this beautiful delivery tracking website with live map, email notification, and a very beautiful invoice printing. Now for you to get access to this website scripts, our WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. So with 60,000 naira you can have access to this website script. So message us with your 60k and we are going to give you access to this website script. Now if you want to start making money from this, pose yourself as a web developer, tell people you can do this job for them and collect this job. You can charge them minimum 200 to 1 million to deliver this job for them. You can come and purchase this script from us for 60,000 naira, and with it you can deliver your job and you've made your money, and this is how you grow. Understand? So guys, I want to see you in my next video. Thank you.